languages. Any two languages under the sun. Yeah? Could we have maybe 7 people on stage? Not on stage, right here though. And there he comes, my hero. Come, come. Whoa, whoa. Okay, oh, enough. All right, thank you. One line, please, all of you. Could we have you in a single line? So everybody can see who you are. Wait. Hey, wait, man. First, let's start the game. Then you can ask your friends to cheer for you, yeah? Okay. We are going to have right now a quick round of introduction and which 2 languages you're very familiar with, okay? Your name?
My name is Shravan Kumar.
Okay, which 2 languages?
Telugu, Hindi.
Okay, Telugu and Hindi.
Soumya, Kannada and English.
Kannada and English.
Paromita, Hindi and Bengali.
Hindi and Bengali, okay?
Hi, I'm Srinivas, English and Telugu.
English and Telugu.
Hi, myself, Weber, Hindi and Punjabi.
Alright, Hindi and Punjabi in my game is almost the same. So could we have Punjabi and English?
Sure.
Yeah?
Odia and Hindi.
Once again, Oriya and Hindi in my game are a little same. So let's have Oriya and English.
I still want to Odia and English. Okay, no problem.
Okay? Okay, no problem? Okay.
Kannada, Hindi, English, Italian.
Don't show off. I want only 2 languages.
I know all 5.
Yeah, but 2 languages you're very familiar with.
I'm familiar with all 5.
I am not going to do the dirty work of choosing, so you choose 2.
Okay, Marathi and Kannada.
Marathi and Kannada. Okay, I did not ask your name though.
Prabir.
Prabir. Okay, your name?
Satish.
Satish. All right.
Aryan, Punjabi or Haryani.
Punjabi and Haryanvi. Dude, I've actually never heard Haryanvi. So could we say Haryanvi in English? Because I don't know Punjabi and Haryanvi. In my game is almost the same, yeah? Haryanvi in English. Hindi and Kannada. What's your name?
Geeta.
Okay.
Supriya, Hindi and Kannada.
Hindi and Kannada. Fabulous. Okay. I also know 2 languages very well. One is, of course, Kannada. And the second one is English. Now, when we are counting in Kannada, for people who don't know, I'm just going to, also show the fingers, but still, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? When we're counting in English or in mathematics, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if the game was this simple, then all of you would be the winners. The game is, you will have to count in alternate languages. So you'll have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes on and on and on. So simple, no? Understood? If you're saying 1 in English, you'll have to say 2 in your other language, 3 in English, 4 in another language, 5 in English, 6 in another language. Okay? Done? Yes? Now I have 2 very important rules of the game. Rule number 1. Now you can't change your languages. Now you can't do that. Rule number 2 is you will have to say the next number within 2 seconds. You can't be thinking what the macha next day? No ahs and ums in between. Okay? Ready? We're going to be starting off with Shravan Kumar. Shravan, which 2 languages did you say?
Telugu and Hindi.
Telugu and Hindi. Okay. Ready, Unara?
Yes, I am ready.
You ready? Okay. Start.
ఒకటి ఏక్ రెండు
Yo, Shravan. ఒకటి తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి. 2 that's wait. Yeah, if you're saying 1 in Telugu, say 2 in Hindi, no? 3 in Telugu, 4 in Hindi. Understood? Come on.
ఒకటి ఏక్
Hey, I can't explain, yeah. Sorry. I'll come back to you. Soumya, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's all. Why did you stop? You should have gone forward.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Hey, this one is like veteran. So we will give her a gift. Don't worry. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oi, you said art and not. Wait, no. Control. In spite of that being same, she still said 8 and 9 in Bengali, dudes. So, round of applause. She went all the way till 8. What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing, no? Your benchmark is 8. Okay.
Let's see.
Which two language did you choose?
English and Telugu.
Hey! You did not choose English and Telugu.
American English and British English.
It is a bad thing to act smart with me.
Okay, all right. Let's.
Which two languages did you select?
English and Telugu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
ఇది ఏమిది పద్బులు? Huh? Huh, you went all the way till 13. 14 was wrong. You didn't. Okay, but he went all the way till 14. Okay, I'll give it to him. Round of applause. Punjabi and English ready? Hold on. How many Punjabis here, dude? In case he's cheating in Punjabi, please tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, he also went all the way till 14. Okay? Prabhir,
Thank you. Remember my name.
are you ready?
Kind of.
Wait. Hey, how many of you know Oriya here, yeah? I know you're all his fans, but in case he's cheating, tell me. Alright, ready? Oriya in English.
Odia and Hindi.
Nahi, Oriya in English. We decided. We decided English.
Hindi.
You can't change languages like this. Oriya, English. Start.
1, 2, 2, 3.
I don't have to know Oriya for me to say that you said it wrong. And that too with so much confidence. He said, AK. And he again said, Dui. Ayyo, Deva.
Thank you for giving a chance.
Our Italian men, are you ready? Which one did you select finally?
Kannada and Marathi.
Kannada and Marathi. Okay, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ante Amlapuram. But he went all the way till 4, yeah. 4. Round of applause, come on. One less than the languages that he knows.
हरियाणी और पंजाबी.
Hey, Haryanvi और English यार. यार सेम टू सेम होगी तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी यार.
नहीं होगा प्रॉब्लम.
हाँ, मैं तो वही बोल रही हूँ ना कि दोनों सेम ही है. अच्छा होता है हरियाणवी और इंग्लिश. हाँ, रेडी? वेट यार, I'll give mic.
हाँ. 1, 1.
सर जी, अगर आप 1 इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो, 2 हरियाणवी में बोलो, 3 इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो तो 4 हरियाणवी में बोलो.
कोई कर.
हाँ, अच्छा फिर से शुरू करो. ए वेट मैन.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He said 8 in English but in Haryanvi style, huh? 8. Dude, fabulous you are. He did not. You want one more chance, Prabir? I shall come back. Wait.
हिंदी एंड कन्नड़ा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Say is what? English or... But anyway, she went all the way till 6. Round of applause, come on. Okay, finally.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
Something's wrong with the number 8, man. But still, let's give all of them a round of applause. We have, of course, 3 winners now since we had 2 people with 14. And Soumya, right? Soumya gets, what do you say, Lifetime Achievement Award. Okay, so could we have 3 prizes? Quickly. Who went all the way till 14? And Soumya, this is for you. Congratulations. Thank you very, very much. All of you. Prabir, now that I've given away the prizes, I will give you a chance. Come on, do try it.
Already lost.
It's okay.
I want to lose it again.
No, it's okay. Come on. Okay, now all of you know what the game is. Okay, and we have 14 as the benchmark. Is there any person who wants to try it? Only one person will get a chance. Oh, we have lots of gifts to give away. Okay, what's your name?
Jay.
Hey, Jay. I have to anyways give him a gift. Because you fell down, you need glasses. Okay, now Jay, tell me which are the two languages you know.
English and Tamil.
Okay, try. Come on. I will hold the mic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Hey, whoa. Perfect Rajinikanth only he looks like with those glasses. But could we have?
Check.
This is for you. Congratulations. Thank you very much.